So, when do you expand your business? Why do you expand your business? And how do you expand your business? Thinking of, well, I'm doing this well. How can I do more with what I'm doing so far? Those are really great questions, and one which that after 15 years, I looked at several different businesses. I looked at several different areas to expand my business in, other cities, other areas. It really comes down to is assess your business now. If it's a standalone, it's operating smooth like a clock, okay? That's great, because that means you can step away and get into something else, because whatever you get into, it's a whole new startup. It's going to require a whole lot of your attention. So if you're ready to take your eye off of something else, which I have no problems, I think that's fantastic if you got your business to the level where it's standalone, then by all means, look at other areas, whether it's in the junk removal business, whether it's another business. But remember, it's startup. You're now going back. If you felt the success of getting into growth, now you're going to have to step back into startup and realize that you're birthing another baby. So it's going to have to start from the beginning. And the best way to do it is have somebody that you can rely on, somebody that I tend to call them tigers, people that work for you, that protect you against your own business. They're so dedicated to you and your business that you could put them in another city. You could put them in another type of home industry. You could put them somewhere and rely on them doing a good job. That's what it takes, because going into another type of business and expanding is not as simple as saying, well, I did this well, I can do that well. It takes a step back into startup and giving it all the sacrifice that you did your original business. So be prepared for that, but get yourself ready.